Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can highlight anything in a screenshot if you took the screenshot by using snipping tool in Windows 11. So guys, it's very simple. You just have to click on highlight option, then you just have to click on any color which you want to select the highlighter, and then you can change the size of highlighter as well. For example, I took a larger sign which is 54, then I simply highlight that text just like that. So guys, that's how you can highlight any text in a screenshot by using snipping tool. So guys, it's very simple, it's very easy. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.